Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 16th May. And first of all, national news. PM Modi reviewed deep sea fishing and seafood export plan. Indian Army conducted Teesta Prahar exercise in West Bengal. MSME Ministry invited applications for National Awards 2024. India's April LFPR at 55.6%, unemployment rate at 5.1%, first monthly PLFS report. Miss World contestants praise Telangana's culture at Ramappa temple visit. Our relations, our dealings with Pakistan will be strictly bilateral, EAM Jaishankar. Government is fully committed to establishing peace in Naxal affected areas, PM Modi. Government appointed legal team led by Solicitor General for 2611 trial. And now international news. Russia-Ukraine war can only end diplomatically, US Secretary Rubio. US President Trump secured $243.5 billion in economic deals during Qatar visit. Honduran foreign minister arrived in New Delhi to inaugurate embassy. Indian delegation at UN presented case for declaring TRF a terrorist organization. Now some sports news. Khelo India Youth Games 2025 ended. Maharashtra tops with 158 medals. Thailand Open, Malvika Bansod lost 12-21, 16-21 to former world champion Ratchanok Intanon. Now news related to business. India's trade deficit widened to $8.65 billion in April. Services to the rescue again. Government approved 187 startups for income tax exemption benefits. Trump urged Apple CEO Tim Cook to limit production in India. Passenger vehicle dispatch rose 4%. Two-wheelers see 17% dip in April, SIAM. And that's all in news. Thank you.